many parts inside the headset have stickers on them. This one is probably the original sticker from Sharp, and that part number finds a listing on their product catalog. The lens comes off quite easily. It's only holding together with adhesive tape with the plastic. The other side, the panel is glued together with some glue which requires hot temperatures, and on top of that it's really fragile. The panels, most likely the glass breaks. On the back side of the panel there is a sheet of mirror, and then between the plate, the mirror plate and the panel, there are wafers of some kind of calibration material. Probably its own calibrating brightness, but I don't know that. Behind the panels in the assembly there is a metal plate. Heat management most likely also adds some rigidity to the headset and gives some protection to the circuit board, which is bolted on the other side with screws. The lenses have a focusing distance maybe 3 centimeters, which one can also decide by looking at the assembly.